चाहे एनिमल हो, चाहे पुष्पा 1 या 2 हो या फिर हो छावा, रश्मिका मंदाना है बॉलीवुड की पैन इंडियन अभिनेत्री जिन्होंने हिट फिल्में न सिर्फ हिंदी में दी हैं बल्कि तेलुगु और तमिल में भी दी हैं। रश्मिका अब एक अलग सिंपल गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर अंदाज में दिखने वाली अपनी नई फिल्म कुबेर में, जहां पर वो पहली बार धनुष के साथ दिखेंगी। नागार्जुन के साथ तो वो पहले काम कर चुकी हैं, लेकिन धनुष के साथ रश्मिका मंदाना का ये अंदाज काफी अलग है। रश्मिका पहुंची मुंबई में अपनी फिल्म कुबेरा के म्यूजिक लॉन्च पे, जहां पर उनका खास अंदाज नजर आया और वहां पर उन्होंने अपनी दिल की बातें और अपनी नई फिल्म कुबेर के इस खास लुक और स्वैग के बारे में मुंबई वासियों के साथ शेयर किए अपने अनुभव। लेकिन अभी भी उनकी हिंदी जरा मिक्स्ड है।
But I feel like I honestly have just started because I don't know what this whole number one situation is, because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood. Yeah. So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting.
இங்கே வந்து தமிழில் பேசுனேன்னா the Hindi media will be like, what, we don't understand anything. So ஓகேவா உங்களுக்கு? I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir, and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like, we have this entire, like, we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake, and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. Some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her. I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors, and that is the beauty of it, kyunki like directors, each directors have their own flavor, so isliye I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters. And she is extremely different. She is as in, I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character. This is the second time I've gotten this opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. Wow. You know, he's effortless, he's just being him. You know, I was just telling sir that sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special. See, sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way. And he will be the Kubera of everything he does. And he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. We generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs. You have male perspective on songs. But this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
Being in the dump yard for like 6 hours.
Whoa.
The high point of me as an actor in Kubera. Because actually, ma'am, it, as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye-opener, you know, this film in a way. But also getting this privilege to work in this film, work with this character, and also Shekhar Kamala sir has a way of always getting their actors to real locations. They don't like put up a set and all of that. So we were actually like doing, I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots.
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, I got. Yeah, now it's done. So You know, you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of what Gorilla Shoot is. So we were holding the camera and running around like the whole day, and we were like, okay, get into the car. Okay, get out of the car. Now we got to get this shot. And we didn't even see the monitor. We didn't even know what we were going for. But the master of it all was Shekhar sir. And getting to work with him, I think all of us have really like given it in for this film.
साल 2024 रश्मिका के लिए काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहा और 2025 में भी उनको छावा से सक्सेस देखने को मिली। उम्मीद है कुबेरा से भी रश्मिका एक बार फिर से सबके दिलों पर छाए। मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।